Hi everyone, my name is Iman. I would love to show you how to do some basic stitches in crochet. In this first video, I would love to show you how to make a slip knot, chain stitch and single crochet, and those are really the foundation stitches for any crochet project. You need to know them. You will need yarn. I chose this bulky yarn to be more visible, and a crochet hook. Looks like this. And if you like to learn how to read crochet pattern in the future, so the chain stitch, they will symbolize it with CH in the pattern, and then in diagram will look like little zero or circle. The single crochet, they symbolize it with letters SC in the patterns and the diagram plus. So let's start. First, to create a slip knot, the first step is creating a slip knot. You will have your index and the middle finger. You will take the yarn, leave some end, and then put it this way on your index and middle finger, and then you will create a little X in this way. Looks like this over your two fingers. Then you will turn your hand. You will have like two circles like this. You will take your crochet hook, go under the first circle, and then pull the second one toward the right side if you're right-handed, and then pull the thread toward the crochet hook. Here we go. So simple. This is the slip knot. Let's do it again. Put your yarn over your index and middle finger on this way, and then turn it over your fingers. Create a little X in this way. You will have two circles. Then put the crochet hook under the first circle, and then grab the second one like this, and then pull the yarn toward the crochet hook. The second step is to create stitches. In order to create a stitch, you will yarn over the crochet hook, and then you pull it through the first chain. This is your first chain. Let's do another one. Yarn over, pull through the chain. Again, yarn over, pull through the chain. Yarn over, pull through the chain. So easy. Now we created, like, when you start counting from the second chain. You never count the chain that's on the hook. Always start from the one under the hook. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. The second step is to create our single crochet. In order to create single crochet, you will make another chain stitch. This one won't count. That is in order to create the right height for the single crochet. And then you count this 1, 2. So the second, you will go through the second chain from the hook. That's the first chain, that's the second chain. And then you go through the chain, yarn over the hook, and then pull through. Now you have like 2 loops over your hook, and then yarn over and pull through the 2 chains. Here we go. This is our first single crochet. Let's do it again. You put the crochet hook through the chain, yarn over the crochet hook, pull over, and then you have 2 chains over the hook, yarn over, and then pull through both chains. Here we go. This is our second single crochet. Let's do a third one. Go through, yarn over, pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through the 2 chains. The hook through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Our last chain, same way, and voila. Now we have 5 single crochets. How we count these single crochets? If you look carefully on top of this, it looks a little bit dark. In top of this single crochets we see like a V letter. This V letter symbolizes 1 stitch. So if we count, this is our first V, first stitch, second V, second stitch, third V, third stitch, fourth V, fourth stitch, and the fifth V is the 5th stitch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets. Let's make another row to make it more clear. So for single crochet we always chain 1, and then we turn the work. We will come under this first V, and the crochet hook will go through this the first V, yarn over the yarn, pull through, and then again yarn over and pull through, the same way how we did in row 1. Let's do it again. We put the crochet hook under the V stitch like is shown, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Oh, I have to do this one again. This happens with crochet. That's the beauty of the crochet. There we go. Now it works. Again. Go through the V stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. The last stitch, crochet through the V stitch. The last stitch always looks a little bit, doesn't look straight, so many people make the mistake and forget the last stitch, and then they don't get even work. Always count while crocheting, it's very important. Here we go. Let's count. Make sure that we have our 5 stitches. So that's first V, first single crochet, second, third, fourth, and 5th. So we're good. And then the work look even too. I crocheted more rows of the single crochet, and this is the final look of it. It's a very beautiful stitch. I mean, has a use for many small projects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. In next tutorial we will learn how to make half double crochet stitch. I hope you stay tuned. See you next. Thank you for watching. Bye.